Hey guys, it's Shayna Flemming with the Flemming team, and you're tuned into our channel where we provide you with tips, tricks, and strategies to help you increase your knowledge in the world of real estate. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We are doing a video tour of a new construction home, this beautiful home behind me. This is located on the northeast side of Columbia. I'm super excited to show you this home. Beautiful Mungo home that is over 4,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms with a bonus room, double master, 3-car garage. So we're gonna check it out right now. As you enter the front door, you're greeted by a 2-story foyer and both your formal living and dining room spaces. Check out this beautiful kitchen. You have your double oven, gas range with vented hood, farmhouse style sink, and a beautiful open concept with a gas fireplace. Also on the main floor, you can find one of 2 master ensuites. This would be great for an in-law suite or for guests. Love the craftsman style detail in the bathroom, all of the tile work, quartz countertops, and a huge walk-in closet. Also down this hallway, you'll find a mudroom along with access to the garage and a half bathroom on the main floor. Let's head upstairs and check it out. All right, so upstairs let's take a look at over the balcony and just see this beautiful catwalk area. The first of 4 bedrooms upstairs and a bonus room. All the bedrooms are really nice size, guys, so if you have a big family, this is definitely the house. This bedroom is in between a Jack and Jill style bath, and then you have another bedroom here. So great for siblings so they can have their own space and their own sink in their bathroom. You have a laundry upstairs, which has lots of storage and cabinets, a folding area, another full bathroom that is attached to the 3rd bedroom up here. And again, all spacious size bedrooms with nice walk-in closets. This is the Frog, also known as a finished room over the garage or bonus room. And here is the upstairs master. Double doors lead into this beautiful ensuite. Check out the tile work, guys, on the tub and in the shower. It's beautiful. You'll also find a private toilet room, a nice walk-in closet inside of the bathroom, and then one more across on the other side of the bedroom. Also has a safe. How cool is that? All right, let's head back downstairs and check out this back yard and patio area. There's a screened-in porch, which is great for entertaining all year round.